Now, what did you know Estina's role to be in this project as at October 2012? Did you know about Estina at all?
No,
You did not know about Estina?
no, sir. No, Chair.
When did you hear about Estina being involved in this project for the first time?
I think there was an issue raised by Treasury, if I recall well, and Estina, that is why the Vrede dairy ended up being couched as the Estina Vrede dairy. And when asking, as far as Estina, but then there was information, I think at the level of EXCO, if I'm not mistaken, I can't recall, that these companies were working together.
So do you recall round about when it was that this
I think it was
transpired?
I
Were
think
you
it
still
was
in the
2014.
department?
No, I was long gone by then.
So by the time you left the department in March 2013,
Yes.
you had not heard about Estina being involved in this project.
No, Chair.
Mr. Tabet had never told you about it, either in writing or verbally.
No, Chair. Not of what I remember. No.